Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear students, we start question number 7 today. The question number 7 is, if y varies inversely as x and y is equal to 7 when x is equal to 2. Find y when x is equal to 126. Now given that y varies inversely as x, therefore y is equal to y varies, where y is equal to 1 over x, and we write here y is equal to k 1 over x. Now y is equal to 7 when x is equal to 2. Now put this value here, y is equal to 7 and k is equal to multiply 1 over 2, and k is equal to 14. Now by cross multiplication this, and k is equal to 14. Put k is equal to 14 and 1. Now this is 1. We write this 1 in 1, and we have y is equal to 14 by x, multiply 1 over x, this, and again find y when x is equal to 126, and we put this value here. Here y is equal to 14 multiplied by 1 over 126 is equal to 14 over 126, and 7 2s are 14, and 7 1s are 7, and 7 8s are 56, and 2 1s are 2 4s are, is equal to 1 by 4. Now y is equal to 1 by 4. Y is equal to, here 14, and 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, and 18, 2 9s are 18, sorry, 2 9s are 18, 1 over 9, because this is 184, 118, 7 2s are 14, and 7 1s are, and 5 7 8s are 9, and 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, and 1 by 9. Y is equal to 1 by 9. Now this is the answer of this question number 7. Now we solve the question number 8. Given that y inversely varies inversely 1 over x, and therefore y is equal to k multiple 1 over x, and y is equal to 4 when x is equal to 3. Now x is equal to 3. This is our one. Putting this value in this, and we find the value of k. 4 is equal to k multiply 1 over 3, and k is equal to 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. Now put here, put k is equal to 12 in 1, and we get this, and y is equal to 12 over x. Now this, and again find x when y is equal to 24. find x when y is equal to 24. Now put this value here. 24 is equal to 12 by x. Now find the value of x, and we cross multiplication by cross multiplication. This 24x is equal to 12, and x is equal to 12 over 24, and 12 ones are 12 twos is equal to 1 by 2. Now here x is equal to 1 by 2 when y is equal to 24. Now this is the, now again, and 12 ones are 12 twos. X is equal to 1 by 2, the value of this. Now the question number 9 is here. 9, if w varies 1 over z and w is equal to 5 when z is equal to 7. Now again, given that w varies inversely varies 1 over z, therefore w is equal to k and multiply 1 over z, this, and then w is equal to 5 when z is equal to 7. We find the value of k, putting this value here. 5 is equal to k multiply 1 over 7, and we get here, multiply both sides by 7, and k is equal to 35, and we put this value, put the value of k in 1. Now this is our 1, this, and w is equal to 1 over k, 35, this के लिए value of k, and 1 over z. Now find w when z is equal to 175 over 4. Now put this value here. W is equal to 35 multiply 1 over 175 over 4. Now here fraction over fraction. Now this fraction will be reciprocal if we multiply this. It means w is equal to 35 multiplied by 4 over 175. Now this fraction over fraction will be reciprocal when we multiply this, and w is equal to, now 5 sevens are 35, 5 threes are 15, and 2 and 5 5s are 25. Now 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. Now 5 sevens are 35, 5 threes are 15, 2 5 5s are 25, 7 ones are 7, and 7 5s are 35. Now w is equal to 4 over 5. Now this is the answer of the question number 9. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now the question solve 10. Today we solve the question number 10. This a inversely varies 1 over r square. Now this is given that, now we write here, given that a inversely varies 1 over r square. Therefore a is equal to k multiply 1 over r square. Now we find the value of k. A is equal to 2 when r is equal to 2. When r is equal to 2. We put this value 3, sorry, not 2, 3. We put this value here to find the value of k. 2 is equal to k multiply by 1 over 3 square. Now 2 is equal to k multiply by 1 over 9. Multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by 9, and 9 2s are 18. 9 multiplied by k multiplied 1 over 9. Now this will cancel, and k is equal to 18. Put k is equal to 18. K is equal to 18 and 1. Now this is our 1 and 1, and we get a is equal to 18 multiplied by 1 over r, this r square. Now the second part of this question, find r when a is equal to 72. Find r when a is equal to 72. When a is equal to 72. We put this value here. 18 72 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 1 over r square. Now again we go on next page and we solve again this question, and 72 is equal to 1 over 18. Now 18, I wrongly write here 72 is equal to 18 and multiplied by 1 over r square. Dividing both sides. Dividing both sides by 18. Now 72 by 18 and is equal to 18 divided by 18 multiplied by 1 over r. This will cancel. 18 ones are 18 fours are. 4 is equal to 1 over r square. This r, and we multiply by 4r square is equal to 1, and r square is equal to 1 by 4. Now taking the square root of this r square and also 1 by 4, this is plus minus. Now r is equal to plus minus, the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 4 is 2. Now we take the value of plus. It means r is equal to 1 by 2, because the radius is not negative. We will take the value of plus 1 by 2. Now this is the value of the radius is equal to 1 by 2. Now this is the question of 10. Now we will solve the question number 11. The question number 11 is this. Here given that A is inversely varies inversely 1 over b. Therefore A is equal to k 1 over b, and A is equal to 3 when b is equal to 4. We find the value of k. Put this value here. We will find the value of k. Now 3 is equal to k is equal to 1 of 4. Now we multiply 4 both sides by 4. Multiply both sides by 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to k multiplied by 4 multiplied by 1 by 4. Now this will cancel, and k is equal to 12. Put k is equal to 12 and 1. Now this is, we write here 1. This is 1, and A is equal to 12 multiply 1 over b. This. Now again the second part is find A when b is equal to 8. Find A when B is equal to 8. Now, the put value is here. A is equal to 12 multiplied 1 over 8. 8 means 12 by 8. 4 3s are and 4 2s are. Now 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2. Now this is the value of this. And now this is the question number 4. This question number 4. And here given that here V varies universally 1 over R cube. Therefore V is equal to K 1 over R3. Now we find the value of K when R is equal to V is equal to 5, when R is equal to 3. So put this value here. 5 is equal to K and 1 over 3 की power 3, and 5 is equal to K 1 over 27. Now 3 power 3 27. Now here multiply both sides by 27. 27 multiplied by 5 is equal to K multiplied by 27 multiplied by 1 over 27. This will cancel, and 5 7s are 35, 3 5 2s are 10, and 3 135. 5 7s are 35, 3 5 2s are 10 is equal to K, and K is equal to 135. Now put the value in this one here. Put the value of K in 1. Now is equal to V is equal to 135 and 1 over R cube, this cube. Next, find R when V is equal to, find R when V is equal to 320. Now, so put the value here. 320 is equal to 135 multiplied by 1 over R cube. Now we go on left side. 320 is equal to 35 135 multiplied by R cube. V cube R cube. Dividing both sides by 135. 320 over 135 is equal to 135 over 135 1 over R cube, and this will cancel, or you have only 320 over 135 is equal to 1 over R cube. By cross multiplication we get R 23 multiplied by 320 is equal to 1 multiplied 35 135, and R cube is equal to 135 over 320. Now value of 320 V is equal. Now we solve this. 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 35. 5 6 are 30, 5 4s are. Now it is equal to 27 over 64. 5 2s are 10, 5 7 are 35. 5 6 are 30, 5 4. Now again r is equal to r cube is equal to 27 over 64. Taking the power of 1 by 3 of both sides, and r3 and 1 by 3 is equal to 27 over 64 over 1 by 3, and this will cancel. R is equal to now 3 की power 3 over 4 की power 3. Now again this 3 power 3 27, 4 power 3 is equal to 64. Now 1 over 3. Now 3 की power 3, now 1 by 3, and here also 4 3 and 1 by 3. This will cancel, is equal to 3 by 4, and R is equal to 3 by 4. Now this is the question of this. This is the answer of this question. Now we go on question number 13. Given that here m inversely varies inversely 1 over n3. Therefore m is equal to k 1 over n3. This is our verse. We name it 1. M is equal to 2 when n is equal to 4. When n is equal to 4, and m is equal to 2 here, k 1 over r cube. Now 2 is equal to k multiply 1 over 64, r 4 power 3 64. Now multiply both sides by 64. 2 multiply 64 is equal to k multiply 64 multiply 1 over 64. Now this will cancel, and k is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Now k is equal to 128. Put the value of k 128 in 1. Now we write this. K is equal to m is equal to 128 and multiply 1 over n3. Now this is the, and find n when m is equal to 432. And we write again m is equal to 128 multiply by 1 over n cube, and find m and find n when m is equal to this. M is equal to 432. Put value here. 432 is equal to 128 multiply 1 over n3. Dividing both sides by 128. Yes. 432 over 128 is equal to 128 over 128 multiply 1 over n3. This will cancel, and we write this 1 over n cube is equal to 432 over 128. By cross multiplication multiplication, we get n cube multiplied by 432 is equal to 128, and n cube is equal to 128 over 432. Now 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are and 0 and 4 8s are 32. Now 32 over 108. Again 4 8s are and 4 2s are 8 and 28 4 7s are. Now 8 over 27. Now n is equal to nth cube is equal to 8 by 27. Taking the power 1 by 3 of both sides, we get n3 and power 1 by 3 is equal to 8 over 27 power 1 by 3. We write this 2 की power 3 and 3 की power 3 and we write 1 by 3 is equal to, this will cancel, n is equal to 2 की power 3 and write 1 by 3 and 3 की power 3 and write 1 by 3. This will cancel, you have 2 by 3. Now n is equal to 2 by 3. Now this is the answer of this question.